we are at, I'm not sure the address of this, but we'll figure it out. This is in Montgomery. Modernized, of course.
Just an FYI, that's going to be really trippy to watch on anything besides a small screen.
That's all good.
There was one person who used to do those wide-angle videos, and it always annoyed me because they were hard to look at.
Well, it's not like the fisheye type. Jeez, what is...
Yeah, there was someone who did that.
Look how dirty the indicator is.
Somebody put a sticker on it.
Oh, yeah, and that's the residue.
Yeah. Kind of like the tape we had to clean off from all our buttons today.
Yeah. Oh, let's get a take of those elevators in their new state. Let's get a quick view, but we won't let it go because this will park.
Yeah, it goes back.
There's Pearl Street. Wow. This is gorgeous. All right, back down. As you can see, the Montgomery logo got covered up by some monster.
His name was John.
John?
I don't know, just make a guess. Generally, a lot of building maintenance guys, their name's John. This doesn't have, oh no, it does have fire service in the cabinet.
So we'll hit the chime. That's where the old indicator used to be. And let's get a view of this courtyard, because this is pretty nice. It used to be a swimming pool. Here's the building. All right, that's it.